So my chickens don't seem to want to eat this weed, which is like the only thing in the whole yard they don't want to eat. So I'm going to try to transplant that weed to here. And that's not enough. So I found some out here in an area where the chickens can't get to, obviously, because it's all green. So let's see if this works. Run, buddy, run! Well, what do you think, Stump? I told you to run, buddy. You didn't run. And now he's lunch. We'll see what happens. Don't eat it, Stump. Just in case. I'm watching you.